What are the biggest home renovation mistakes? Hi, I'm John Quinn with the John Quinn Home Selling Team, RE/MAX Experts. When it comes to remodeling your home, you can spend a lot of money and not improve the value of your property. One of the biggest mistakes that most home sellers make when remodeling their home is not taking a moment and really reflecting why it is that they want to do the renovations. Do they really want to do the renovations because they like it and they want to stay in the home? Or are they making the renovations to get the house ready to sell? When people are renovating to sell, they need to focus on the basics that are going to appeal to most buyers. You want to be able to keep the colors neutral. You want to be able to appeal to more people as opposed to putting your own personal colors in there. Another big mistake that people make is overlooking some of the major things that need to be taken care of on the house. I've gone to homes where they have totally remodeled the inside of the house, yet they forgot to take care of the 40-year-old roof that's on the house. Even though it hasn't been leaking, it's still going to cost $15,000 to get it fixed, but they've already spent their entire renovation budget. These are things that really end up hurting the seller in the long run. So before you make a decision to spend thousands of dollars to renovate your house, feel free to call me at my office. I'll be glad to come out there and do a seller consultation and go over all the different steps necessary to get your home sold, whether you want to get it renovated first, or if you just want to do renovations around your house, want to know what are some of the most cost-effective ways of making it happen without breaking the bank, we can make that happen. Again, I'm John Quinn from RE/MAX. You can call me at 591-8100.